Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Emma. Let me tell you what happened last Tuesday. My student Maria called me. She was crying. She said, "Emma, I lost my job today." I asked her, "Maria, what happened?" She told me this story. Maria works at a hotel reception desk. A customer called. He was angry about his reservation. Maria answered the phone and said, "Hello, what do you want?" The customer became more angry. He complained to Maria's manager. She heard Maria say, "That's not my problem, and I don't know." Maria was fired the same day. She didn't mean to be rude. She just didn't know the right English phrases for customer service. And here's the scary truth. In customer service, one wrong phrase can cost you your job. You might think you're being polite, but in English, you sound rude or unprofessional. Let me give you more examples. Someone says, "What?" when they don't understand. In English, this sounds very rude on the phone. Someone says, "You must," to give instructions. This sounds like you're giving orders, not helping. Someone says, "I can't do that." This sounds like you don't care about the customer. The problem is not your English level. The problem is you don't know the professional phrases. You know how to speak English, but you don't know how to speak customer service English. There's a big difference. Today, I'm teaching you something special. 40 powerful phrases that will make you sound calm and professional, even when customers are angry, even when you're stressed, even when your English isn't perfect. These phrases work in hotels, restaurants, call centers, retail stores, banks, hospitals, any customer service job. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say when a customer calls, handle angry customers without getting nervous, sound confident and professional on every call. This is not textbook English. This is real customer service English that native speakers use every day. Are you ready to sound like a professional? Let's begin. Shadowing practice. Category 1. Starting the call professionally. Good morning. This is Sarah. How may I help you today? Good morning. This is Sarah. How may I help you today? Good morning. This is Sarah. How may I help you today? Thank you for calling Riverside Hotel. This is Michael speaking. Thank you for calling Riverside Hotel. This is Michael speaking. Thank you for calling Riverside Hotel. This is Michael speaking. Good afternoon. You've reached customer service. How can I assist you? Good afternoon. You've reached customer service. How can I assist you? Good afternoon. You've reached customer service. How can I assist you? Hello. This is Jessica from Tech Connect Support. How may I help you? Hello. This is Jessica from Tech Connect Support. How may I help you? Hello. This is Jessica from Tech Connect Support. How may I help you? Perfect. Notice we always say our name. We always offer to help. We sound warm and professional from the first second. Never say hello or yes or what do you want? These sound unprofessional. When you practice, replace Sarah Michael or Jessica with your name. Replace Riverside Hotel or Tech Connect with your company name. Category 2. Showing empathy and active listening. I understand. I understand. I understand. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. That must be frustrating for you. That must be frustrating for you. That must be frustrating for you. That must be stressful. That must be stressful. That must be stressful. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I apologize for the inconvenience. I apologize for the inconvenience. I apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate you telling me this. I appreciate you telling me this. I appreciate you telling me this. Excellent. These phrases are gold. They show the customer you care. You're not just hearing words, you're listening to their problem. Use these phrases throughout the call. Even angry customers calm down when they feel heard. Category 3. Asking questions politely. May I ask a few questions to help you better? May I ask a few questions to help you better? May I ask a few questions to help you better? Could you please provide me with? Could you please provide me with? Could you please provide me with? May I have your account number, please? May I have your account number, please? May I have your account number, please? Just to confirm, you're saying that? Just to confirm, you're saying that. Just to confirm, you're saying that. Let me make sure I understand correctly. Let me make sure I understand correctly. Let me make sure I understand correctly. I'm sorry. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? I'm sorry. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? I'm sorry. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? Could you please spell that for me? Could you please spell that for me? Could you please spell that for me? Great. Never say what or huh or I don't understand. These sound rude. Instead, use these polite phrases. The customer will respect you more. Category 4. Managing wait time. Let me check that for you. Let me check that for you. Let me check that for you. One moment, please. One moment, please. One moment, please. Please bear with me for a moment. Please bear with me for a moment. Please bear with me for a moment. I'm checking our system now. I'm checking our system now. I'm checking our system now. This will take just a minute. This will take just a minute. This will take just a minute. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate your patience. I appreciate your patience. I appreciate your patience. Perfect. Always tell the customer what you're doing. Don't leave them in silence. Silence makes customers nervous. They think you forgot about them. Use these phrases every 20 to 30 seconds while checking. Category 5. Offering help and solutions. Here's what I can do for you. Here's what I can do for you. Here's what I can do for you. I'd be happy to help you with that. I'd be happy to help you with that. I'd be happy to help you with that. I can certainly help you with this. I can certainly help you with this. I can certainly help you with this. What I can do is. What I can do is. What I can do is. Let me see how I can assist you. Let me see how I can assist you. Let me see how I can assist you. The best solution would be. The best solution would be. The best solution would be. Let me make this right for you. Let me make this right for you. Let me make this right for you. Wonderful. Notice we use positive language. We say what we can do, not what we can't do. This keeps the customer happy and hopeful. Category 6. Saying no professionally. understand this is important. Unfortunately, I'm unable to. I understand this is important. Unfortunately, I'm unable to. I understand this is important. Unfortunately, I'm unable to. I wish I could help with that. But what I can offer instead is, I wish I could help with that. But what I can offer instead is, I wish I could help with that. But what I can offer instead is, let me connect you with someone who can help. Let me connect you with someone who can help. Let me connect you with someone who can help. I'd be happy to speak with my supervisor about this. I'd be happy to speak with my supervisor about this. I'd be happy to speak with my supervisor about this. Let me transfer you to the right department. Let me transfer you to the right department. Let me transfer you to the right department. Excellent. Never just say no or I can't. Always offer an alternative. Always show you want to help. This is the secret to good customer service. Category 7. Ending calls positively. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Is there anything else I can help you with today? Is there anything else I can help you with today? Thank you for calling. Have a great day. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. Perfect. Always end on a positive note, even if the call was difficult. Leave the customer feeling good. These two phrases are essential for every call. Now let me show you these phrases in action. Dialogue 1. Angry customer about reservation. Meet Jessica. She's 26 years old. She works at a hotel front desk in Toronto. She's from the Philippines. English is not her first language, but she learned these professional phrases. Now she handles difficult calls with confidence. Let's listen to one of her calls. Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Riverside Hotel. This is Jessica speaking. How may I help you today?
Finally, I've been trying to call for 20 minutes. Your line was busy.
I'm sorry to hear that. That must be frustrating for you. I'm here to help you now. What can I do for you?
I made a reservation for tonight, but I just got an email saying it's canceled. I'm driving there right now with my family.
I see what you mean. That must be stressful. Let me check that for you right away. May I have your name, please?
Robert Martinez.
Thank you, Mr. Martinez. One moment, please. I'm checking our system now. Thank you for your patience. I found your reservation. The email was sent by mistake. Your reservation is still active. You're confirmed for tonight.
Are you sure? Because that email scared me.
I understand. Just to confirm, You have a family suite for 2 nights, checking in tonight at 4 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Here's what I can do for you. I'll send you a new confirmation email right now. I apologize for the inconvenience. When you arrive, please ask for me or my manager. We'd like to offer you a complimentary breakfast tomorrow.
Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank you.
I'd be happy to help you with that. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you for fixing this so quickly.
Thank you for calling Riverside Hotel. Have a great day.
Thank you, Jessica. Goodbye.
Excellent. Did you notice what Jessica did? She never said, "That's not my fault." She acknowledged feelings. That must be frustrating, and that must be stressful. She kept the customer informed. I'm checking our system now. She confirmed details to build trust. She offered a solution plus something extra. The customer started angry and ended happy. This is professional customer service. Dialogue 2, Internet Connection Problem. Now, let's look at a different situation. Meet Carlos. He's 23 years old. He works in a call center in Mexico City. He helps customers with internet problems. Many customers are frustrated when they call. Let's hear one of his calls.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Tech Connect Support. This is Carlos speaking. How can I assist you today?
My internet isn't working. I have an important meeting in 30 minutes.
I understand. That must be stressful. I can certainly help you with this. Could you please provide me with your phone number?
It's 555-0123.
Thank you. One moment, please. I'm checking our system now. Thank you for your patience. I can see your account, Mrs. Chen. May I ask a few questions to help you better? Can you see any lights on your modem?
Yes, there's a red light.
Thank you for letting me know. Let me check that for you. Please bear with me for a moment. I appreciate your patience, Mrs. Chen. I found the issue. There's a service outage in your area. Our technicians are working on it now.
What? How long will this take? I need internet now.
I understand. This is important. The repair should be complete in about 1 hour. Here's what I can do for you. Do you have a smartphone with data?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. What I can do is help you set up a mobile hotspot. This will give you internet for your meeting. I'd be happy to help you with that. Would you like me to walk you through it?
Yes, please.
Great. First, on your phone, go to Settings, then tap on Mobile Hotspot. Perfect. Can you try opening a website now?
Yes, it's working. Thank you so much.
I'm glad I could help. Let me make this right for you. I'm also going to credit your account for today. You'll see it on your next bill. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, you've been wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you for calling Tech Connect Support. Have a great day.
Perfect. Did you notice what Carlos did? He acknowledged urgency with "I understand," and "that must be stressful." He managed wait time, "1 moment please," and "please bear with me." He asked permission before asking questions. He explained the problem clearly. He offered a creative solution when he couldn't fix the main problem. He added value with the account credit. The customer started panicked and ended grateful. This is how you turn a bad situation into a positive experience. Now, let me give you a few quick tips for the toughest moments. When you don't know the answer, say, "That's a good question. Let me find out for you." Or, "I want to give you accurate information. Let me check with my supervisor." When you need to put someone on hold, say, "May I place you on a brief hold while I check that?" Then, "I'll be right back with that information for you." When a customer is very angry, use phrase 10. "I apologize for the inconvenience." Use phrase 33. "Let me make this right for you." Stay calm. Breathe. Don't argue. Remember, never say "you're wrong," even if they are. Never say "that's not my job." Never say "there's nothing I can do." Always focus on solutions. Always stay professional. Practice these phrases out loud today. Say them in front of a mirror. Make your mouth remember them. Write in the comments, which phrase will you use first? If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need the right phrases. You need to be calm and kind. That's what customers remember. I'm Emma from Speak English Daily. You can handle any call with confidence. Keep practicing, keep growing. Thank you for learning with me. Your next call will be amazing. Take care, everyone. Bye.